Meaning of family division.
Family division.
Family division.
Family division.
Family division. Family division refers to the specialized court within the UK legal system that deals with family law matters such as divorce, child custody, and adoption. The division is responsible for resolving disputes between family members and making decisions about their welfare. The overriding principle of the family division is to act in the best interests of any children involved in a case. As part of its duties, the division can also provide guidance to social services or make orders to protect vulnerable individuals.